There's a fruit and a spice combo sitting in your kitchen right now. And when you combine them the right way, at the right time, they can reignite your energy, restore blood flow, and make you feel like a 20-year-old in bed again. But here's what 99% of men never realize: it's not about age. It's about circulation, hormones, and recovery, and these two natural ingredients target all three. So if you're tired of feeling flat, sluggish, or underpowered down there, stick around. Because I'm about to reveal the exact combo, the exact timing, and the science behind why it works. Let's be real, modern life isn't kind to your manhood. Bad sleep, processed food, high stress, these things don't just wear you out. They wreck your testosterone, destroy your nitric oxide levels, and stiffen your arteries. What does that mean for you? Weaker erections, lower stamina, and the feeling that you've lost your edge. But what if I told you? Nature already gave us a way to fight back. And it's not in a pill bottle, it's in your kitchen. Introducing the game changer combo, Tart cherry juice cayenne pepper. When these two come together, it's like flipping a switch in your body. And I'm not just saying that, science backs this up in a big way. Let me break it down for you. First up, Tart cherry. This is not just a fruit. This is biological ammunition for any man who wants to feel powerful again. Forget the pie your grandma used to make, this is performance fuel in liquid form. Inside this dark red fruit is melatonin, your brain's natural signal to sleep, recharge, and rebuild. And when you sleep well, your body cranks out testosterone like a 20-year-old engine. But it doesn't stop there. Tart cherry is packed with anthocyanins, potent plant compounds that cool down inflammation, repair blood vessels, and reopen blocked pathways in your body. And here's where it gets real. Tart cherry increases nitric oxide, the molecule that tells your blood vessels to open wide. More nitric oxide means more blood flow, better circulation, and yes, stronger, firmer, longer-lasting performance where it counts. This isn't hype. It's documented. In 2016, a clinical study published in the American Journal of Therapeutics found that Tart cherry juice significantly raised melatonin levels and improved sleep quality in older adults. Better sleep equals higher testosterone. Higher testosterone equals better performance. Period. So how does it actually work? It turns sleep into a testosterone factory. Melatonin from Tart cherry taps directly into your brain's sleep center. Once you're in deep sleep, your body increases luteinizing hormone, a direct signal to produce more testosterone. Tart cherry doesn't just knock you out, it activates your recovery mode. It destroys inflammation at the root. Anthocyanins in Tart cherry hunt down and eliminate inflammation like elite soldiers. They clean out your bloodstream, reducing oxidative stress and repairing damaged blood vessels. Inflammation strangles blood flow. Tart cherry cuts the noose. It supercharges nitric oxide, your blood flow molecule. Nitric oxide is what makes blood vessels relax and expand. The more NO you have, the easier it is for blood to reach everywhere. Tart cherry boosts your natural nitric oxide production, giving you the vascular flexibility and circulatory strength of someone half your age. It rebuilds your inner blood vessel walls. Over time, stress and poor nutrition weaken the endothelial lining, the layer responsible for blood flow efficiency. Tart cherry repairs this lining, improves elasticity, and helps your arteries function like they did when you were 20. That means better erections, more energy, and cleaner cardiovascular flow. It does all this naturally, no side effects, no crashes. This isn't a spike. It's not a synthetic boost. Tart cherry works with your body, not against it. It supports your hormones, your heart, your sleep, and even your sex life, all at once. And the benefits don't stop in the bedroom. Tart cherry also helps reduce joint pain, boost endurance, lower uric acid, regulate blood sugar, and fight belly fat by improving metabolic health. It supports your heart, sharpens brain function, reduces DOMS, enhances recovery after workouts, and even protects your eyes from oxidative damage, all from a single, natural source. If that isn't a superfruit, I don't know what is. If you're already seeing how powerful natural ingredients can be, go ahead and tap that like button. It tells YouTube this content matters and helps it reach more men who need it. Now let's talk about cayenne pepper. This isn't just a kitchen spice. It's liquid fire for your bloodstream, and a secret weapon for any man who wants to light up his performance fast. It doesn't just heat your tongue. It ignites your circulation, unlocks blood flow, and turns your body into a furnace of stamina and strength. The magic comes from a compound called capsaicin. This single molecule activates something powerful inside you, your nitric oxide engine. Nitric oxide is what tells your blood vessels to open wide. It signals smooth muscles in your arteries to relax, allowing blood to rush through freely. More nitric oxide means more oxygen, more nutrients, and more blood flowing exactly where you want it, fast, strong, and sustained. Capsaicin flips that switch. It triggers nitric oxide production, boosts vasodilation, and enhances total body circulation. That's why cayenne is used by endurance athletes, high-performance trainers, and now, smart men who want an edge in bed. And it's not just blood flow. Capsaicin does more. It activates thermogenesis, your body's fat-burning system. It raises your internal temperature, revs up your metabolism, and helps you burn calories even at rest. That's more energy, less belly fat, and sharper physical performance. It also triggers a rush of endorphins, your natural feel-good chemicals. These neurotransmitters instantly boost mood, reduce pain, and heighten physical sensitivity. That means better mood, more arousal, and a stronger mind-body connection when it matters most. A 2014 review published in Open Heart Journal confirmed that capsaicin not only stimulates nitric oxide production, but also improves vascular function and protects against inflammation and oxidative stress. In simple terms, it clears your pipes and keeps them strong. Now here's how it works, deep under the hood. Capsaicin stimulates sensory neurons in your body, activating TRPV1 receptors. These are like heat sensors in your nerve endings. When triggered, they tell your body to respond, dilate blood vessels, increase circulation, and speed up healing. It's like flipping on your body's internal turbocharger. This stimulation also signals brown fat activity, the good kind of fat that actually burns energy. Your body heats up, your heart rate increases slightly, and your metabolism kicks into high gear. All while improving blood flow to your muscles, organs, and yes, your reproductive system. It doesn't just help blood flow, it helps it get there fast and with force. Capsaicin also helps regulate insulin sensitivity, keeping your blood sugar stable. That's critical for hormonal balance, because insulin resistance is one of the hidden enemies of testosterone. Cayenne helps you stay lean, balanced, and hormonally sharp. It even supports digestive health by stimulating saliva and gastric juices, helping your body absorb nutrients more efficiently, including those that boost your libido and testosterone. And we're still not done. Cayenne has been shown to help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol, prevent platelet clumping, and protect against arterial stiffness. In short, it keeps your heart pumping strong and your pipes clean. It's also anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antifungal, and rich in vitamins A, C, E, and B6, all essential for male health, vitality, and immune resilience. All of that, from one fiery red spice you've probably ignored for years. Use it right, and it becomes one of the most underrated performance tools in your arsenal. And just like Tart cherry, it's not about overstimulation, it's about strategic activation. Cayenne helps your body perform like it's meant to. With fire. With force. With flow. That's the power of cayenne pepper. So how do you take this combo for maximum effect, and when can you expect results? Let's talk protocol. Here's the exact formula you need. Ingredients. Half a cup or 120 milliliters of unsweetened tart cherry juice. 1/10 teaspoon, a small pinch, of cayenne pepper. Optional, 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Optional, 1/4 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon for added benefits. When to take it? For bedroom performance, take it 1 hour before intimacy for hormone recovery and blood flow. Take it 1 to 2 hours before bed, especially if you've been sleep deprived or stressed. When to expect results? Short-term effects like blood flow, arousal, and energy. You may feel results within 30 to 60 minutes after consumption. Long-term benefits like testosterone support, deeper sleep, and improved circulation Noticeable changes typically start around 7 to 10 days of consistent use. Tip: start with a small amount of cayenne. Too much can irritate the stomach. Want to boost it even more? Add a pinch of Ceylon cinnamon. Why? It balances blood sugar, which protects your testosterone levels. It also has subtle aphrodisiac effects. And it rounds out the flavor with a smooth finish. Just make sure it's Ceylon cinnamon, not cassia. One supports your liver. The other stresses it. You're not getting older, you're just getting smarter. And this fruit-spice combo is one of the simplest, most powerful ways to reignite your vitality, naturally. It supports your blood vessels. It enhances your testosterone. And it does it all without side effects, pills, or gimmicks. So if this helped you out, hit that like button. It helps this reach more men like you. And don't forget to subscribe.